Welcome back to our Coral Gables project where we've got 3 bathroom remodels going on. Right now we're standing in the hall bathroom, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about weedy shower systems. So we went to Texas recently. We became certified through a rigorous training over 3 days, and we love this weedy product. I'm going to tell you why. Number one, it's completely waterproof. No need to come back the next day and waterproof the actual cement board that's traditionally used. Normally with the cement board, you have a lot of dust. It's very difficult to carry around. These foam boards are very lightweight. They're 1/2 inch. They can be scored with a knife, less dust, safer, a cleaner workspace. And then moving down here to the shower floor, under the towel here, traditionally, we would have a 2 to 3 day process before we could set tile. The plumber would come in, set his mortar bed, get the right pitch, then he would install the shower liner. After that, the tile installer would come in, float his mortar bed, thin set, and then tile. With the weedy shower base system that we have under here, not only is it a pre-sloped shower base, meaning that we don't have to worry about any drainage issues in the future, it is a install that can happen within 30 to 45 minutes. After that, we seal it all off with the sealant, and 3 to 4 hours after that, we're ready to install tile. So we can literally install tile the same day as this pre-sloped shower base system. So all in all, it's a wonderful product. It's very easy to use. It's already waterproofed. It's a much better and safer product than the traditional way of doing showers. And it has an amazing warranty that we're able to pass through as a company to the client, and we're all able to sleep well at night. Thank you for watching. My name is Alex, Bigfoot Construction. We build trust.